बारे में क्या पसंद है? What do you like about him? What do you like about him? तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? वह बस अभी निकलने ही वाली है. She is just about to leave. She is just about to leave. आप इस बारे में गलत है. You are wrong about that. You are wrong about that. वह लगभग आपकी ही उम्र की है. She is just about the same age as you. She is about the same age as you. वह हमेशा उसके बारे में अच्छी ही बातें कहती है. She always says nice thing about him. She always says nice thing about him. क्या तुम मेरे बारे में सोच रहे हो? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? क्या तुम्हारे पास इसके बारे में कोई विचार है? Do you have any idea about it? Do you have any idea about it? आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है? What do you say about this? What do you say about this? कल रात मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में एक सपना देखा. I had a dream about you last night. I had a dream about you last night. तुम्हें मेरी परवाह नहीं है. You don't care about me. You don't care about me. कल के बारे में क्या ख्याल है? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? वे किसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे? Who were they talking about? Who were they talking about? कोई भी इसके बारे में बात नहीं करेगा. No one would talk about it. No one would talk about it. मैं अपने काम के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking about my work. I am thinking about my work. उसे इस बारे में पता नहीं था. He didn't know about it. He didn't know about it. उन्हें हमारी बिल्कुल भी परवाह नहीं है. They don't care about us at all. They don't care about us at all. मैं क्रिकेट के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानती. I don't know anything about cricket. I don't know anything about cricket. और ये केवल आपके बारे में नहीं है. And it's not just about you. And it's not just about you. तुमने मुझे इसके बारे में कभी नहीं बताया. You never told me about it. You never told me about it. मैं इस बारे में बहस नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to argue about it. I don't want to argue about it. मैं इस बारे में कभी बात नहीं करना चाहता. I never want to talk about it. I never want to talk about it. आपको क्या लगता है मुझे इसके बारे में क्या करना चाहिए? What do you think I should do about it? What do you think I should do about it? वो अपने खाने को लेकर काफी सजग रहते हैं. He is very particular about his food. He is very particular about his food. क्या आप मुझे इसके बारे में बताना चाहेंगे? Would you like to tell me about it? Would you like to tell me about it? हम लगभग 5 किलोमीटर तक चले. We walked about 5 kilometer. We walked about 5 kilometer. लगभग 10 मिनट में खाना तैयार हो जाएगा. The food will be ready in about 10 minutes. The food will be ready in about 10 minutes. वह यहाँ लगभग 1 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. He has been waiting here for about an hour. He has been waiting here for about an hour. मैंने उसके परिवार के बारे में नहीं पूछा. I didn't ask about his family. I didn't ask about his family. मैं उस मामले के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ. I'm thinking about that matter. I'm thinking about that matter. क्या ऋषि ने आपको पार्टी के बारे में बताया है? Has Rishi told you about the party? Has Rishi told you about the party? वह हमेशा आपके बारे में बात करता है. He always talks about you. He always talks about you. वह किस बारे में इतना चिंतित है? What is he so worried about? What is he so worried about? वह मेरे बारे में क्या जानती है? What does she know about me? What does she know about me? क्या मैंने कभी आपको इसके बारे में बताया है? Have I ever told you about it? Have I ever told you about it? मुझे इसके बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. मुझे अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. Tell me something about you. Tell me something about you. क्या उन्होंने इस बारे में कुछ कहा? Did he say anything about it? Did he say anything about it? मैंने इसके बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा. I never thought about that. I never thought about that. मुझे इसके बारे में बुरा लगता है. I feel bad about it. I feel bad about it. यह आपके बारे में नहीं था. It wasn't about you. It wasn't about you. मुझे कल के लिए खेद है. I'm sorry about yesterday. I'm sorry about yesterday. चलिए इस बारे में बात करते हैं. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. मैं उसे इसके बारे में पूछूंगा. I'll ask him about it. I'll ask him about it. मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा. I didn't say anything about you. I didn't say anything about you. लोग क्या कहते हैं इसकी चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about what people say. Don't worry about what people say. मैं लगभग 10 बजे यहाँ पहुँचा. I arrived here about 10 o'clock. I arrived here about 10 o'clock. मेरे पिता नियमों को लेकर बहुत सख्त थे. My father is very strict about rules. My father is very strict about rules. मैं नहीं जानता कि आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. I don't know what you are talking about. I don't know what you are talking about. मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ भी याद नहीं है. I don't remember anything about it. I don't remember anything about it.